I'm handing out centimeter grid paper for you right now, and all I want you to do is to put your name on the paper. Put your name on the centimeter grid paper. And we're going to set up our centimeter grid paper to represent our classroom coordinate grid. Okay? We need to represent our classroom coordinate grid. So what is the first thing I need to do? What do you think? How am I going to make sure I draw a straight line? TJ?
You're going to make the middle line as waxes or something?
Close. I got to make the origin.
Yeah,
But before that, what do I need to draw? Before I can even label my origin, I need to draw the axis. Okay? And the 4 quadrants. You're absolutely right. So on your paper, I want you to draw a line going straight down, and as close to the middle as you can get, a line going straight across. Then I want you to label the point of origin. So your paper should look like this when you're done. If you need to use a ruler or a straight edge, you're more than welcome. Don't forget to label your point of origin. Good job. Yeah, and Mike, so I put extra on the back because you needed it. Looks good, Michael, good. You have your point of origin labeled. Awesome, don't forget your point of origin. So that's a reference point to help you know where you're going. Don't forget your y-axis. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be figuring out where our desks are located on our classroom coordinate grid. And then we're going to plot them on this graph paper. Alright, so what I'd like you to do, I'd like everyone to get up, push your chairs in, and come stand on the rug. Alright, I'm going to go first, and I'm going to locate Noah's desk. So every time we begin, we want to begin at the point of origin, because the point of origin is 0, 0. It's like being at start. You haven't gone anywhere yet. So I'm going to Noah's desk, which is over here. Do I need to move forward or backward? Forward. Forward. Let me see how many I need to go forward. 1, 2, 3. So I went up 3, and I found the front leg. But I'm not there yet. I need to go to my left or to my right?
Left.
My left. I need to move 1, 2, 3. So I went up, which is positive 3, and I went over, which is negative 3. So his desk, his first leg is at 3, negative 3. Okay? And so if you look up here on the paper, I don't have any numbers. So what do I need to do?
Number it.
I need to number it. Well, if the point of origin is 0, 0, my next number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going this way, I'm into the negatives. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I had to go over 3, or did I go up 3? I went up 3, and then I went to the left 3. Okay, so Noah's first leg of his desk is right here. How would I figure out where the other legs of his desk are? I'm not measuring them. I would have to... Okay, so I would like Lucas and Austin, I want you to figure out where the back legs are, and Chloe, I want you to figure out where the other front leg is. I've got the first front leg. I want you guys to figure out where the other legs are. 4, 3, okay. bottom. Did you guys figure out that other leg yet? I'm just making a prediction here, but since the desk is a rectangle, is it at 4, -5?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so this is Noah's desk. And I can kind of draw these two. Correct. Alright, good job. So we just figured out where Noah's desk was. So what we're going to do now is we are going to locate at least 4 other desks in the room. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is put Noah's desk on here, and we can label it if we want. I'll just put NP for Noah's name. And I want you guys to locate at least 3 other desks. So I'm going to be walking around, making sure you guys are okay. You're going to be plotting them on your paper.
Seven.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And up 1. Okay, 7. Up 1. It's 7 and up this hand, and this would be 7 up 0, right?
If it's on the line, yes.
Because it's not on the line, but it's on the first grid.
Then it would be 1 if it's on the first grid.
So up 7. So 1. And the second one is over 8. Then the 2 back legs are just on. No, the 2 back legs are. Two back legs. Yeah, the 2 back. We need one more deck.
Alright, so you guys were able to use the classroom coordinate grid to make a map layout of our classroom, of what is located in our classroom, and specifically we were looking for desks. Does anybody want to share theirs with the class? Alright, Chloe, go ahead.
Okay, so Noah, we already know where he's sitting. He goes 3 up and then wait, what? And then 3 across and then, okay. So then Ben is right next to him and he goes 3 up and then 6 across and then 3 up and 8 across and then 4 up and 6 across and then 4 up and 8 across, and then Nick is 7 up and 1 across and then 8 up and then 1 across and then 8 up and then 3 across and then 8 up and 7 up and 3 across, and then the empty desk is 7 up and 3 across and then 8 up and then 3 across and then 7 up and 5 across and then 8 up.
Alright, so you guys were able to use the classroom coordinate grid to make a map layout of our classroom, of what is located in our classroom, and specifically we were looking for desks. Does anybody want to share theirs with the class? Alright, Chloe, go ahead.
Okay, so Noah, we already know where he's sitting. He goes 3 up and then wait, what? And then 3 across and then, okay. So then Ben is right next to him and he goes 3 up and then 6 across and then 3 up and 8 across and then 4 up and 6 across and then 4 up and 8 across, and then Nick is 7 up and 1 across and then 8 up and then 1 across and then 8 up and then 3 across and then 8 up and 7 up and 3 across, and then the empty desk is 7 up and 3 across and then 8 up and then 3 across and then 7 up and 5 across and then 8 up.